Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save recordings in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once the application launches and you can see the main interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen. You'll see a menu bar there with several options available. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu with various settings and options. From this drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open a new window where you can configure all of OBS's important features, including where your recordings are saved. Once the settings window opens, look at the left panel where you'll see a list of different configuration categories. Click on Output. This section controls how OBS handles your recordings and streams, including file formats, quality settings, and most importantly, where your recorded videos are stored. Now, in the main panel on the right, you'll see an option called Output Mode. Right beside it, click the drop-down menu and select Advanced. This gives you more detailed control over your recording settings and unlocks additional options that aren't available in the simple mode. Next, at the top of the Output Settings window, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the Recording tab. This tab specifically manages all settings related to your recorded content. Here's where you can customize exactly how and where OBS saves your recordings. Now navigate down to the Recording Path option. This field determines where all your future recordings will be stored on your computer. Right beside it, click the Browse button. This will open a File Explorer window where you can choose your preferred storage location. In the File Explorer window that appears, you'll see various folders like Desktop, Documents, Downloads, and other locations on your computer. Select your preferred folder based on where you want your recordings saved. For example, if you want easy access, you might choose Desktop, or if you want to keep things organized, you might select Documents or create a dedicated recordings folder. Once you've made your selection, click Select Folder at the bottom of the window. This confirms your choice and sets that location as your default recording destination. After selecting your folder, you'll be back in the Settings window. Now click Apply at the bottom right to save your changes. Then click OK right next to it to close the Settings window and return to the main OBS interface. Your recording path is now configured and ready to use. Now you're ready to start recording. In the right panel of the main OBS interface, click Start Recording. OBS will immediately begin capturing everything in your scene. Record whatever content you need, whether it's gameplay, a tutorial, or any other type of video. Once you're finished with your recording, click Stop Recording in the same location. OBS will process and save your recording to the folder you specified earlier. To view your saved recordings, go back to the upper left corner and click File again. From the drop-down menu, select Show Recordings. This will automatically open the folder where all your OBS recordings are stored, allowing you to access, review, or share your recorded content immediately. And that's it. You've successfully configured OBS to save your recordings exactly where you want them. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.